Hey everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change address on your Patreon account. To change your address on Patreon, follow these quick simple steps. You'll need to first log into your Patreon account on a web browser since you will not be able to find the option to change your address inside the Patreon application. Open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in patreon.com and search. Log into your patreon.com account, and after you are logged in and inside the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left hand corner. Now click on the settings button from the list. Inside the settings tab, scroll down to profile information under basics and select your country of residence from the drop down. After choosing your country, tap on it and then tap on save in order to change your address on Patreon. So that is how you can easily change your address on your Patreon account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.